Hindi 2A, Unit 5, Lesson 5A and 5B. Let's practice. I like pizza. I like pizza. I like salad. I like salad. I like orange juice. I like orange juice. I like burger. I like burger. I'm hungry. I like pizza. I'm hungry. I like burger. I'm hungry. I like salad. I'm thirsty. I like orange juice. I'm thirsty. I like water. Goodbye.